Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here today to show you how to change your brake light bulb or your turn signal bulb on a 2009 to current Chevrolet Traverse or Gmc Acadia, Buick Enclave, or Saturn Outlook. So you can tell if your turn signal's out if you have a fast flashing turn signal. So this is normal, obviously. You know you have a problem when it starts flashing fast. Easy way to figure this out is you can hit your hazard switch and your turn signals your hazard runs your turn signals. And you can check all around the car and look for the one that's not flashing, which is currently this one. You can see how it compares. Walk around the vehicle, find the one that's not flashing. Easy to figure out. So the tools you'll need are a 7mm socket, a ratchet, small magnet helps, and a little small screwdriver or a tiny pick to get rid of the fascia piece. So the first step is there's two fascia pieces covering the screws you need. So just one tiny little slot in it, and these will pull out. Usually it'll be dirty. You grab your 7mm socket. It can be deep well or standard depth, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to loosen those up. This is where the small magnet comes into play. You can just grab the screws, not have to worry about dropping them. Then all you're going to do is you're going to pull straight out on the taillight assembly, and it comes out. So then to replace your bulb, all you're going to do is turn counterclockwise on the bulb piece, and it'll come out of there. This is a double filament bulb, a 7443 bulb. Just gonna pull it straight out of there. And that is your bad bulb. So you just reinsert your 7443 bulb. It can go in either direction. And then you just put it back in, lock it in clockwise until it can't go no more, and slide your taillight back in. And you can see that there is a little plastic point here and a little rubber insert in the vehicle, so you just want to make sure that is sliding in the spot, otherwise it won't be able to turn in. And make sure you're getting past your rubber seal. Before you actually put the screws in, it's a good idea to just check the taillight, make sure that it's functioning. So you can see that we are functioning. It's good to put the screws back in. Just kind of get those in the hole. We'll start threading in. If it doesn't thread in right away, just make sure you're actually in the hole correctly. Tighten down, they just need to be snug. Don't tighten them too tight, otherwise you'll crack the plastic. And then just clean any dirt away here. You just gotta put your piece back in. You can kind of see that there's a little string that has to go back in, and they'll just pop right back in place. Make sure it's good and lined up with the body line. There's really only one way to go in, you can't really mess it up. And that is how you change out your turn signal. You know, average cost for bulb replacement at a shop is $39.95. This is a $5 bulb and takes you about 5 minutes to replace. So easy, do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you, and please subscribe for a lot more videos like this one.